koya na ekoso anim nam so ama wo kire mo sa enei sa wo hwemu a asantema efa asantema nika ade ba ko a empempi no ano na nipa dodo no apu sa won ba behwa asantema yi eya honedie won sam ekwan ya ne afaso ne asiesie mpotamo ye monten so na so ne nkame ya sa na nnuoma nyina ya agensemo eno na nam so ma wo bisa ka emese aso kioso awodo no a eyaje asantema ya boso na ba bia ba fa bia kioso sie wo bia ntimi nya no ho twabre wo ba bia na nkamfase asankafo timi akwa aba no wo se ha twene pa na wono akwa asantema awura no enanam so ma odna no atumbi ekire mu se enane kire ya ka me wo mpene toton pene no a wo mo rasa kioso awodo a eyaje asantema ya boso no wo mbetu ho anamo wo se kwa ba no sa no e beboa ama asantema ahonedie sonko ankane na wo no asanso atiesi ne dada mu biem asantemewura otumfo se tutu ya wotoso
kiosk azima band my kan de no kra na yanya assembly member for ne ya me de sisi ho ene ba bia kiosk sio pavement anipa fa so nyina kiosk sio na sabe ya no nyina ya mfa njire kro na so me ji se ye kọ anim no Redeems as a 2 boss in you see a town planners in woman, you know, was here no district planners in you was say to me no mushia. Town planners, no lands commission for name a quamben, a first was special plan and say, Kumasi and Hifani a dear capa, Hifani a dear store, Hifani a dear way, Mampon, Hifani a dear way, and the kiosk as you. The engine I am who is a Hassayam to me, fuck kiosk in you. So ni across there no na be man de na so hon so be say kro no de ani se e prema na de si o ta the case will be fancy baby because me so me koye adwuma me ne memba de di be de a na e fi a wotimo kra obi so e de yi skills be ba be si o so oton ne ma
awusia wai aya santemera yero 24 say tutu ya wotoso mienu na wo sheke mese ne kyen ya kiosa hodo a aja santemera boso no wo mo enti ho anamo
Nyame ya dom na atenka ne boni bia ankaye na NDC chinyabata manyokwa katamanso eyezu eyeza wanom ekwo enkrampopuni mantam Accra Sports Stadium na wanom ede wanom nyina batoa kese ede ahihye so sebe ya wono betimi ato aba asomdwe kwan so de ayi mpanyimfo ne akandifo a nyame ya dom betimi akonkoden na wabo adwumaso ede ama wono sebe ya nyame ya dom a efipim yenu ne aduonu nan abato ne mo no wanom sede wo musika no watimi akonkoden agi tumi no ede free MPP aso kokrokwa amanyoko nsem na abato ya nansen ye koso ewo eyema ene mabru don frɛ fontem o kepko so no yete ye se basabasa ye kakra eyiniti ewo ho na eno ena ye bisasa so nyame ya adoma wo kyena da de ya dodo na ekoso won kran no sen ena neema ebesi akọ bamba ho nsam de da na kwemu ana sempanyimfo no krado yoben ena wonom ayo ede chen sas abato kese ye no nyame ya adomo ebekoso ye boye homoden sa sante mantama se panyi kwankyerefo ya enkita hodie wono ena da no ye eye Abbas Nuruddin ebetwetwe enkomo na kia bisa ne sa homboa ben ena wonom aye ede afasa bato chenchenche ya nyame ya adoma wo kyena da ebosoi ensuo na gugu kakrente no ahoma no ye boye homodin se ebetimi atoatoa na ye bisa ye Nuruddin Abbas wono eye nkitahodie bofotene de ma NDC ye no wono fa wa asante mantama senom na ye bisa ne sa homboa nyina si na sen ena kyena bato no niema esi ekwa homa no enya ento munte no yenhwe na yento akasebo no so se okropo no ya dom na obai wie mahoma no tutomu a yebesa akwa yechi kasebo ni mo na yatimi afa ye Nuruddin na ensem ni nyina ho anu yie no watimi ede ama yakosua yenkwa yanim
awusua ye kwayanim na yakwa kodin komodi afasa semkoya ho ye nyina nim se nyame ya dom wo kyena bato no a NDC amanyoko ne babato no awusua ne fakase pa no gira titire ni dibre no so why na fa na why na wie na se wo hwem apanyi pa ya oti akonya so dada setitine ne dema NDC amanyoko
Sompa 93.1
su ampofo eno na twatwa fo panyi dema amanyoko ye wa Johnson se yeru katia cha se da bi wonu akasa watena fa ko ache na nhio hoyi eche to ma yi hwa na nsuti no wo pushu no wonu akobia efoforo no ahwesa show wonu akasa betimi akonkode wo bedi nimbi awa saba to ya wo kire nyame ya doma wo beto ni mu na meka se wo titire ni dibra no a abusua nyame ya no kire wo mokwapo wa pre no a owura Johnson se yeru katia ya wo twotwo ni amanyoko no waka ho bi and I have some of Sompa for one should you to make pa. Now, Sandy Penny and you, and I want
Sompa 93.1.
show. And you may Baba was saying, now I'm a former career. Now, Santa Moa and this Yamano Koto about women's organize a Dibra, and national organize a Dibra, I will 15 months a Moyaka Costino. Yet I want some Brebe, Koviatre, any Pama Kuma could drink Yamama Kentan one, and I was if what one move for you to job. Now, what you will say, Lucasami and Yabrasa Moa, some phone what you know, and ya as a Kumakra. Now, I want to hear where home what ya say, Sir Abaka, coordinator. Edmond Center for Security Research. Yara Yaro, near Nakako Jim Como at the Afahon.
Sompa 93.1.
Yara Yaro to make her. I was Yaya Pusso, Manuasia, Sabaka, Ora, Yaro, Casambata, near Wadihu, and Comosan Sahumano, and Yadia to Tomukra, a young Shuko Bium Nayara said, Yan Sabaka, and you pay one way swap. All right, I am what you also pass to you. You're ultimate car, I am what you.
Sompa 93.1.
Wonom emfa encheye sede enema esi ekro ne nso na gugu nti no ya na ehoma ne basa na kusukusu no kusukuku achi ahoma na na se sede emframa na esi ye ne nti wo mfa nche brepem no de aka echere nyina sansa sompa kase ye kwaye ne ya ba ye chaye sesebe ye nuanu anwrafo ya asa ne nti no de aka mu nyina no ye hya bobo se ye besa akwaye chi sankofa wo we ye nchi nti no na ye timi ede abram na bre ya kase de yentu fanso kwade bresia mo ya woto ne nsem ojabum na yemfa ye ne enkyere mo ewo doma ye no ewo buru potam wo na ewo ene yenya ne nte yesa ahyenkafo ne passengerfo wonum ede abo ani pipe de ewo akwa aten de ewo ba aten panyin se de wogina ho aten ne atentrodo eno ntimi ma mekasa nwa no yenkwa homa no so ne ani yankasa ye nua be makomi bintum bentum etimi emo nkomo na wonfa enkyeremu emre yen kumi wotimenka yamo adwo
Ora Yaro ni nkomotia wo di mrasisia. Yaro ya mwajo Sompa so nie.
Bejoso.
Na nneoma mbokọ de.
Obadi adaruma.
Ye da nyame ase. Awada ma fra wo numre yi anya bone ye ntwetwe asoboa. Andi si amanyoko na bato a. Nyame ya no china wo no kwakoto ihu no eno nti ne ya fra na ye hwe. Ye nim sa ba ne bambo mu a mo ne mpanyemfu a. Aya ne ye so fra mu a mo kyerɛkyerɛ mu a. Aboa yai sabato na senta monkoto bu ofimfi mantam kwawi akire amama kentena wom dunsia na posifo kire se wo mode ahurukasam anyambia wo kire de no wode wasototo fam do ani hwehwe nioma ebekɔ ne sai ankasa wadaro mo bambom.
Oh, since ye kan de me ntimi nkyerɛ de ebesi wo hɔ kyena senior near Ecosi or Cape Coast, no be antimi and predict, mean to be predicted the basic, but monitor, communications are every NDC for communication department, no abanwa, naturally say, my aware say the sea or Western, Cape Coast, no, na. Enya ne papa mu a nti omo ma assurance say omo de niema toto akwam a ebe prevent repeat of that ewo Accra Sports Stadium nti assurance any arrangement any here at this point na eba no security in some so there police presence is the most important thing say a police force so ebe deploy officers on beko ho se na be ya say obi person odi to trust bi ebemo a omotimi aso ano ama no entimi answer event no ba be nti no they feel say e fana be gina preparation no every NDC for no na ba no kire say omo aye crowd a omo pese omo di event no ba o china omo ebe prevent a repeat of the Cape Coast. This assurance is okay. So him say yamanyo semni mintimi ho ase woman especially about internal contester. Ghana, political party there were the various versions of it. The who here say, because one preachy, democratic values,
93.1.
party politics, multi-party politics. Now, yet timid internal mechanisms are it may address problems. I be leading to election day. It was at all times, preventing Niema from happening. For election day, no, I'm bearing there. I say, I maintain once here. Normally, see during campaign time, yentimi unresolved successfully. Yeah, didn't take PM on election day in the form of violence. Until once who foreknowledge, now your sufficient intelligence on the ground about problems that are familiar with your political party arrangement. You just put in measures to prevent them from happening. And already, the assurance has come from the NDC communication, department. They are aware of the incident AC or Cape Coast. They want to prevent a similar one from happening in Accra Sports Stadium. And see, let's hope that it doesn't occur. Now, yentimi analyze the event after it has happened.
93.1.
Alright, mpanyinfo se ehunu be penti na abo asere wo hoi. Waje the background wa ina ni atoncha nyambia no yanhwe. Akwa bare say yes de wo kirekire mu ayi obi nim ade chiemu nsam de. Nanso na hwe yie bi wo baabi. Ye wo se nipa bi di gu akwan mu ana afutuom.
Oh, say about some events here there ehun hia ni say party no ni a police for benya enkita ho. Na onim say NDC a major political party. Omo ye event of this size a major national issue.
Sompa 93.1.
Minim say Ghana police for aye arrangement already. Omo de nyama kwakọ tutu. Akwan mu di dada. Na omo ni party for na ye ejuma. Na onim say stadium one omo kwakọ ye ejuma no nso no. Ministry of National Security abo ano pe. And also another major pointer. IHS, Ministry of National Security. So any high, Emma, Niema, ABISM Pata, ABC or Hona, ever affected, the peace and security of Accra. And Ebano interparty party politics events there. They hear any, preparation. So Ubenya sufficient, security presence. Ebano said there's a minimum wants to be a bemoa. At least police for no, everything are intervening as quickly as possible. Now, Maswa no, Senebeya, entity and disruptive program no. Now I'm a program not calling now whatever misunderstanding no, can be resolved later. Into me feel say and only the only actually here was all contestants are more race no more any of various camps, any of interest groups bear in mind. But about the Bambo aspect there, the minimum said Ghana police are ready presence to ensure say be able to
Yara there was sin with church and what draw what Yamaya official council.
I think comment to him so.
It does see. I was your phone and the dim comway. I coordinate Iowa Center for Security Research, UPSA, Ora Yaro, Kasamba Tanya and the Kasaya now church mo bampomu. Area would drop be a was a Yamia Mochina, Ghana this year, ye own Cramantimo.
Ebusiafo yan kwobunu mantem na kroya no ede doma se de esibo mamane no se ahyenkafo wonom ne eye adobafo no wonom ede abo ani no yenya yenua kuma kumi bentum e wa homa no so dodo na afra no wasti wuti menka anwumre yamwadwo
menua mejeso
mejide yesa ohun ye pa
nyamya do me ho ye domane na potamu bibia ye kama
afinhia panso
afin kometo ye da
boye nchemu dia na ekoso ho ye se ahyenkafo mu ne passenger fo mu de sie ni yankwai
Menu ba merase e no kore se de mo da tom from mama abesia mu etie sompa ene anwure ni nyina e no kore turudu ni nyina ene se besa na otwe ya etwa mu na otwe etwa mu ene de yabado wurami ene yenya ntie ene okọ abefonten tankese so na utime kenkan ko na so be kan bia na yatete ene de yehu nyina ene se eye fango no ne bo no ba na eba poma we atakoye ene gisem ede ama Ghana adese ene bono emba nyina na ekokoba ni sei no kwasem die brana fango no bono ekọ soro no ema protwa GPRTU TUC ene driver union tena ewo doma no omina edomu ti se ho etie eye abesra epimpirfo ho bai ema mu nyina ede ye adwuma ekyere se de ebe ya omo nso omo kwa adwuma obenya bi kakra azatu otu ndi no na wose ahyentiade no ye tutum ene ti enam no katai ubeprim ewo doma ene ne mpotemu a krobia ahyentiade no ya peja bo no amana akosora se passengers no suan no mutu bana no mobo awrehwa no mutu ene ti ene ya yenya na ntie se fango no bo no eba fom ne de nanka eya apade edema Ghana abehye nyina sanka atenkanfo no so ebetumi de wose ayoyo na kayate eya ahyentiade no so sede be ya passengers no so omo ho betumi anhan omo nanso omo bo drivers na bo mo bi si ne enya de ahyentiade no ye hware so wei na ene akasakata kese pa ba beto passengers binum ene ashenkanfo no binum entem e wodoma na passengers next say mango no bon aba fom dia ene ashenkanfo no so entete bo no so anya sa na sa abode no bo na ene ebeje dia ene ka ni ti ho omo na epe ka na kwakodi wo muduma ye mforo ne mforo no tena wei na ashenkanfo no so tell say passengers ntimi any side price emfa momo onto se bia budget officers any Doma Central Municipal Assembly ndu omutima se ho na omo atini decide price bi se bia ya mamu 20% bi e bia 10% ye hware so ye we yaka ho na mom se assembly no enya mabontre emfa bo bia emfa momo dia ene ye bo no de omo so emfa mo pem entese ne entese china ene nti efiri anopa ebesi awiade na eya azem to kwa kese pa ewo Doma ene ne mpotemu na yate de ekoso ewo station a eye ewo Doma ye ankasa de ani kokoko bi no na no kwasem bi de ekoso ewo honom no na enya sem keto kra eka kefuwa bi eka da bani ba kokra de nka passengers ni bi nkwa kaja ene to ne kam sanse akapakasa na mpoa en atembi bia na ekoso no na enya sem keto na bra ye nya kwanse ye ne passengers ni bi edi nkomo ebisa se lord fair no drivers na enya hu bibi ana se mo nya hu bibi no sei ena mo kan
Ramamfe yere me kwa kududo na frame Mbappe palo ne bo no enam se e wosoro ne ntino adawa fon ka iska no wo hwe kiremasutu amamfe a omoje 10 series ne so ano eden nka yesre adawa fon bebre se nkomo be ye ka iska no ho bibi ayeden edama ya nyasa obi kura wone ma odi kodwa kura na ho ka iska ne ntino aka wuram se driver ni no bo na obe ntino kuani no onya ntino omfa obeja no eba sa na so a emwa enti ye se ye nyina yetimi ye den boa ye ho na ye hu kwan a adawa fo no so be ye den omu betimi article na so na adawa fo ye be ka cha adawa fo no se omunya nto wase economy ne mo ye den wonde ba ye nimsa ba ne guso a ne ma be koboko ye serenya nkopon se bibia na sie de bibia be ba forma ahoto abakaka
kaje da phone say lord fair dey so motiso because e ba di fuel so wo ba kwa fa no ma freedom aba fuel nti wo beto no ma be ba duru wo beto wo nya hwe mfiri so nti say mote lord fair so na me wo kan westi ato fuel no ma so da say lord fair so motiso visa bre pa ko fa na ma ba to na wo nya hwe ti o say fuel no motiso o mo de na ba no ma so ama ya ini bilisu ya pato nti le mo ka chiro mo no
say beteso ase sia na yesi yi fuel ne boy din nti adava fo atoto lol fenum na this year say ya tete so dia say mo so te so na mo boyen because say mani mo yedene lol offer calf cra free ya kakra ko kire masu a 10 series okro na ba ina na auto no 20 series ayedene na nsu oton so fama odene ti be mo adava fo hu ye mo bon be mo ye ni ben tete maye
ko anka o mo te so maye na nyensa dia o musim maye na ma we say na ye ni pa de seni nsi ka hu bi Ye na ye ma ebansa. Kakara manya medimaka.
Ebusiafo chamesu ade kwadoma de te se de nka wodi firi kotodwe ekọ wo 19 ekwan hyeda nwakora nso no ehofo no ekiremu a ahyentuade no eyetenga na sedes wei odwene ho baabia enye ye yetoto fangu bo ne mu de na nka wogi tuma no ntine ne se aban na yadom na se akofo mu a wogidi ye se wasa ahyenkafo no so no wotimi etete ebo no so ho ensem ahodo ya asole atwede ebo nyina ba mu no na yanka se ye nua ba ma kumi bentum ya dodo na efrene walasti wade ho nkrato ene amanebo ede ema yeni
afroda ya fangu bo sha se akofo mu ma gane mu no nisania passenger force bia so jade agu ahyenkafo so no nya sanketo akora anopa wiane enumere se wormo si wormo so ani saka ahyentuade wormo ntete so na se wo hwemu ma gana ahyenkafo no wormo aku ahodo a ekuo no ba ko aye concerned drivers association of Ghana eno na mpanyufo de ababato dwetwa sa tadwefo wa Ghana fo ya tedene na enhyiamudi ahodo bia ekwaso wormo ne afeye a ero ma Ghana ya kwantempon wonsam so no bibia de prefer se franyame ya domu a edwoda de kro ahwe yi aka ahyentuade won betimi ateso wose wei aya na moto sonko ene adwene a won mo dwene Ghana fo ho ahwe hunu se yakwa akodi bronya ene mo so ya de pa enti se ne beye no mamu ni nyina obi a ho be ha no ye betete fango so ebe wi akira ahyentuade ye bete so adwadifo bete wo mo nyoma so nti eno ntititiru pa na ma ahyenkafo wo mo sisa gina yeyi na Ashanti Regional Chairman Adama Concerned Drivers Association Oro akoda nyame wona Sompa kase edi asem ho nkomo
ye ne mpanifo ahia aye bibia ene aka che omo se yesere wo amonane no fuel no aba fom ene dollar no so aba fom enti no yesere wo timamafo no so bere enti yenhwe yente fuel no so ema wo no so enti bi branya wo so ho nto wo ene mpanifo agitu ne nka mpanifo percent ka yente so 80% ene aka che omo se yete so 80% a egu adwuma yesere adwuma because e denti a petrol no ko so no aban no entimi anhwa amaye ama yeso yentimi anye wi ene no so mo bete so enkopo enumre ebe on better so say Monday no fair no ye better so na start you know ka say ye print ye papers ye de be chama ye original chairman no ma dia ma we for chama grand chairman for ni na mo ma cha e dia ma wo mo ene egu so say ye ho adwuma me ne o ka say aban o mabako na no so bia beto petrol ma wo fre unions akese union empenifo etua no 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 ma tenase ahyehye bibia ansana wakacho omo se medicine ba na medicine na ema na medicine na meyese aba we de onya ni sa o de ya kura so obeto petrol no mu a Saturday no mu ade be Sunday e no wadi tum on se omo ma ya price no mo sa to petrol no mu 2 3 times eti e ma lolo fe no ko 2 times ya de ji she bia ba se on se union for no ye wo police for bia ye show group eti ene police MTT 124 ebe ye meeting ehia akacho omo se ba bia na first e bia ye ji 3 series na se wo ji e bia 6 series that's ye first no near checking 90% no any net 10% into that's a brosa ye be ma normal price no now they are just one fan here ye be me enko for any police for at here want so we sia that's ye busa that's a price a waji passengers no e brosa ye be ma mo dey offer emla kwan so
ye be ma won mo de wa famra kwan so pa wei ayora akoda nyame Ashanti Regional Chairman Adama Concerned Drivers Association and watching no where the foot ma shankafo ne passenger for sa Christmas na be yo overspeed na wodro drum maybe na shankafo ye no wo monya hweye ebio a passenger for bia wo mo tena ka mu a na wo no ye pentam ti driver ka ho no wo ba sra da fi we maybe
me se mi nia driver for say gonyen se bi enye tam bia na ye be ye hu fi afi so enkombla ne fie medibi ene ye mane yabusua enye yani enti me se ye nua driver for say me se maduma ye no eye mpai bo se wodi e o ma wo sabeka ye srem overtaking over nua driver for so nua ye overtaking na se ba bia okoda nya wo so entia so man kwan o man kwan na se wo sia de a wire enye ena passengers ya wo ka mu so na srem ye pentem no nkon ma no ye srem gonya ye pese wo bia ni bi ena second me se IGP ene ye union penifo say ompia police for enko station to stations sport we wo stations ya omotonsa ene asra wi ena tramo ne ne ma no ye se omfo mu na nsuo no munye ho adwuma pa ye customers ye ne omo ye adwuma no obi hwefie obi kuta busua obi koba MP ohwe ni pampempem se basa na no wa hwere busua wa hwere de eti e be hwere se IGP so ene ne nkofo so enye saa de ne mai
Abusia wei aya Concerned Drivers Association Asante mante mo tetene ni de ma wonum ora akoda nyame ne yete ne nka no na krata bi apie dwa aye road transport operators woman na sa krata ya ba ya mpanyifo mienu a woman sa ahyase Yera Godfred Abubere wono ye general secretary Edema Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRT huno ana ora Emmanuel Hene Yeboa wono so church de ma Ghana Road Transport coordinating council no na krata na ba ya na wono mo kire mo se ananu ada October bo so men da na talk so aduonu nkono awa fi mu no wo de beto Ghana fo anim sa ba bia fa ngo ho sansam keka koninti wono matoto cash ntuadie na toto wono matoto mu no ha mu nchemu dunkono ana womo de to so na wono mo hwa animu sane abaye betumi aboa pa ama wono mo dwumadi a womo die no atumi awie pa yade ama wonom na Ghana fo je wono mo fel so age nioma nyina de tumu ya America sai cash ntuadie bo no a womo de to so 90% no empone kwa wie kire womo san so tumu bi kura ye no 50% ebi ye no 40-30% na so Ghana fo ka womo no tumu a womo je ni nyina meneye eno na ne womo kire se baby afa ngo bua sa ase ye kekekọ tetete soa de bepem nei no won ma da dwene wa wonu sase won ma nte so asabio na won ma ya Ghana fo abro na nso nti won ne abam mpanyimfo won mo ka biewom ashankafo nka bo muku awodo won ma kwa kwatena se ahia ama dwento ato ani mu a no won ma dwene nyina akọbankrom se nyame ya dom a won mo nte fa ngo bua no so anasa ka ahyentuade bua no so ha mu nchemu eye dunum akiri pono miensa 15.3% eno ana one motor show na ebesha se December bo so nda to so dunkono e wa fiye mu anam so ma one more kase eye one mu a wo mre taxi edi dwuma e wo ma Ghana mu amfa ho ba bia wodo taxi ne ko sa wa ha mu nchemu du no ma chiri pom yensa 15.3% no ebusua e ka wo se efre nyame ya dom a edwoada 19th December de kro nyina mo bate cash ntuade ebo so ebiem trotro drivers amfa ho ne se wo bo wawa wo ye station trotro de kaka ho no cash ntuade ebo free juada de kro ente so aba 15.3% e wo so mo de ye adwuma afei won mo so twi cash akase ko long distance ne ade ade no e free juada de kro eno so mo te so saa wase wei aye enkitawodie soronko akoso ekoko ahodo a wormo ka ahye dwumadie ne nyina mu no won mate ase wo madwiri nyina akọbankrom ana wo mode abasa 15.3% yente so ejifiri dwara de kro lorry fare na busua ya teso se wo ko na shankani bi ka kire wo se yente so afu abuo ne de kaka ho a woboa won mate so 15.3% ya nyame ya domo a edwode de yanimi ena esase womo si ya chia Ghana fo pi na womo ka de akire womo de hyen de dwuma wo man mu nyina se wo bia mfanya dwuma woni a wamfanya dwuma passenger bi e ba babo amane so be ya posifo asotire anase kuo ne mpanyimfo asotire no won be resa asotwe bia ye safata no woni yanso so won betumi e de ama wo
Kasebo and Ebusianfo ye bedi amamo e was Sompa 93.1 kasafidie su kumase Brakwana wote enka e wosunyane Sompa 98.9 e wanso ole kodo ama enkofo na Ebusianfo wonpotam wono wonom so etimi etie bi yenko ensemfo from na yafia ne nchem wonado danko akufo ado mampanyi edema omei na kache mampanyi na ado danko akufo ado e de ato America mpanyifo anim sa abreya ye kase de Ghana fo nyina hia womo a ni nyina ne se wose eye Burkina Faso eye ye ne wonom ahye so yade a wonom di asase yantam bi ede ama Russia fo e wo hwa wode edi dwuma na wo kire se enam so amasrafo ya wonom efri Russia wonom abebo ho dompem ya kire se wonom edi dwuma ho no ena na dodanko akufo do e kire se wese no enhyeda enfam from papa bi e magana ho enu nti wode akwakoto US mampanyi ene empanyimfo ahodo nyina anim se bre ya kasa de womra Ghana fo ensa bemu se be ya empo no se wo how bi enam sa dwumadi ya wonom de no wo so e de bre Ghana fo a wonom atimi aboa asia no mampanyi de ensem wese nyina ekoto dwa wa bra enanu kwada US Africa Leaders Summit dwumadi ya bibiman ene US bibima panyimfo wonom edi ye e wo America memu no wo ko bi enam so nti wo de ensemi etu dwa sei.
And particularly for us to be able to put into relief where we are Yesterday, I was part of an extremely useful meeting with the people from the Congress to come and talk about security matters. It's significance for us, and I think that beyond everything, that is a matter that I want to urge upon. Today, Russian mercenaries are on our northern border. Burkina Faso has now entered into an arrangement to go along with Mali in employing the Wagner forces there. I believe a mine in southern Burkina has been allocated to them as a form of payment for their services. Prime Minister of Burkina Faso in the last 10 days has been in Moscow. And to have them operating on our northern border is particularly distressing for us in Ghana. Apart from not accepting the idea of great powers once again making Africa their theater of operation. We have a particular position that you know about over the Ukraine war, where we have been very, very vocal and upfront about condemning the invasion by Russia. And therefore, then now to have this group at our borders is a matter of some considerable disquiet and concern for us. I'd really like to have a privileged opportunity to talk about its implications and what we believe ought to be the case. This is what took place with the discussion in the Congress yesterday, which I found very fruitful. And I would like that the themes of that discussion should be the themes that we should continue to address. To what extent can have you as a partner in confronting these threats?
UK and I say US abrochimemu empanyimfo wonom ehwemudie ye akwaso ma na dodan kwakufo do wode nani monyam ekopie mu wase no ena wode ensem atudwa ni nyina no na jasayem se ehu kakra eyabo no esanse Ukraine wonom ne Russia ntokwa no ya ekwaso nti wo kire se Russia fo wonom abagana ya ne Burkina Faso fo hye so ewo yetifi edomantam ho eno ho a eno enka ensem papa bi emfa nkire yente no eno na wode atudwa na sede wo sisire ye se empanyimfo nso meso yasen na se ye ko de atia wonom o se ye pam wonom de afiri ho eno so honsem ya woda na dini.
The commitment to democratic values and institutions is a high priority for our states. We in Ghana have been through all kinds of arrangements, governance arrangements in the past, one-party state, all kinds of experiments have taken place. And our people are now very clear in their mind. They want to go down the avenue of democratic engagement. And that is why the last 30 years of the Fourth Republic have been the most stable in our country's history. We want to do everything to preserve that. But there are enemies of democracy who are working hard in West Africa today. And therefore it's important that we bring that matter to your notice and see to what extent we can engage you as a reliable partner in the pushback of those forces. There are other areas, of course, of great significance too, cooperation for economic growth and for the development and for the making of prosperity for our people, which is to some extent part and parcel of the same fight. Because the young people have things to do, they're not going to be recruits for terrorist forces. So all of that is part and parcel. But specifically, what we can do about the terrorist threat in West Africa is now the major security concern of all our states, especially the coastal states, that up to now, to the last 6 months, have been relatively free of this threat. But now on all our common borders of Benin, Togo, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, are these forces that are operating there. We have to find a way to be able to respond effectively to protect our populations.
Sebe ya panyimfo betimi aboa ama ya Ghana fo adehye eho bante no ena nadodan kwa ekufo do wo sre empanyimfo wiase ama panyimfo sawamra ya moa sebe ya Burkina Faso ye ne wono mahye so ye ne Russia asojafo ababeje ho afa no wono betimi aboa ya kwanuasan eso na ebusuansem wese beto odwa no ene Ghana fo dodo na ekasa ena wonom echese nadodan kwa ekufo do asa wono akasa no wo twetwe ntokwa ediba na Russia for mu Ukraine for na nyantokwa wo ma Burkina ye ne wono mahye so ba ye adwuma wese no won ka sa wode ntokwa eba na so no sabra ya wo kwa America akwa kwosere mpanyimfo so ma ye yadom no asa wono akasa ekwa kwotwetwe nsem bi ede aba na eno nam so ntino Sompa kase ye boy ye homoden ene bambo mo panyi bi a waben akwadale ahye wo mu yewra Richard Kumado etwetwe enkomo edefa ensemu amanfo akase na mapanyi na adodan kwakufu ado ne nsemu okokan ye ewo nhwamudi akoso US abrochime mu no asa wo frefre tokwa aba wado so di nkyeremu esi ase ede mayen
nyama mienu first one is president ni the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces and some of these talks no now anya security briefings obia nya privilege of getting that information and the man on the right say or the American counterparts need discuss the issue no. Number 2, in terms of diplomacy, and as within the diplomatic arena, there's nothing wrong. So, on any favorite diplomatic partner to me discuss issues about national security, for which one of them are Okokanya. Then the third one, a private discussion, and because taking video na issue never out. And to the extent say we're out, man for geopolitics to make say it wasn't right to use the platform to say the kind of things I'm happening. And these are the 3 premises. For me as an individual, following here also within the Sahel region, questions but 2 of the questions is Russia soldiers normally Ghana, they are in the Sahel region. The emphasize I said previously, now how many was Sahel region? Are they the Russians or there were some other people? What was the relationship between Yeni Omo first time? Has Russia posed any threat to us as a nation in terms of Ghana? And so those are the questions when you ask Santana answers number. And to me, these are the premises for which the president spoke. The Americans are here, the British are here, the Japans are here, the Germans are here. Obiawaha. And we have trading and military security training arrangements with all of them. And to the extent that the president is complaining, say, the presence of the Russian PMC, former private military contractors in the Sahel region poses a threat to Ghana. I don't know the level of the threat. We will need to find out.
Yet saying another same Richard Kumado waben ewa bambo ho ensemo and another dan kwaku for the nsemo wakan ye extra American penny for any be man penny for sa wamla won sra bemu sebe ya Burkina Faso ye ne wo mohye so Russia for soldier for ya wo mabeje ho a wonum edi dwumaso bi ewo ho no wonum emekwa ye mo na manfo nsemo okafa ho no ene nam so nti yewra Richard wade emu enkyeremu edema ye nei
Abusia ya kwansan foforo mu afempem yenu ne aduonu o maga